Hello there everybody. If you're not subscribed, please consider doing so, because guess what? She's back. She's had all of her sills done. So just show you under there. Again, not you know, not as good as Tom Force, but good enough for me at the minute. So my main thing really is just spraying these so they look presentable for now, and then in the as you can see, I've already started there and it's looking all right. Main thing is getting them presentable for the winter, and then after the winter what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a smart repairman to come and sort them all out. But in general, I'm really pleased with that. 250 quid, can't go wrong. Spent days on it, bless him. So sort of in the agreement today that yeah, there's no point you spending any more time on it, you've done enough, and it's been brilliant. So really pleased with that, and I'm really pleased that it's not as bad as I initially thought. So on the on here as well, he's done a bit more as well, so quite pleased with that. All finished, all solid, MOT ready. You'll see some of the bits he's cut out as well. This isn't all the bits because it came out in pieces, so I'll put them on the screen. It did really come to bits apparently, so but I'm dead pleased with that. My filler job at the front actually did keep it up for quite a while, which is really nice. It's a bit dusty and everything from obviously all the sanding and all the work, but yeah, looking good. Happy with that. They'll probably need a bit more reshaping, but I'm going to wait for that for the body repair guy when I get with that. The main thing is getting it ready for the MOT, get it ready for winter, and sorting all that out. I'm going to spray some underbody seal inside of here as well. But he has he's done the cavities in both of them and along there as well, and he's also done it up in a bit under the seat because there was a bit in the back bit there. I'm not sure where he said it was. If I can find out, I'll show you. But he's also had to weld a piece. But on the other side as well, he said it's really solid. It's really solid on this side, which is obviously not, you know, that was something we all knew. He's also added the hole is in there as well, which I didn't know about. Thanks Jules for letting me know. One of the best Rover 75 and MGZT specialists in the country. Big thank you. So yeah, we've got everything we need and everything we want, and we're all done. So we need to spray some cavity stuff in here as well, just a little bit more because I'm a bit paranoid about it, and then we'll go from there. But yeah, I'm very happy with this. Then I'm going to spray the two bits just to make it look a bit more presentable for now, and then we'll get it all done properly come spring. You can see in there where it's all black, that's brilliant. So he's done all the inside there, which is absolutely ace. So hopefully no more rust. The main purpose of this really was just to get it through an MOT, not to restore it. You know, the main thing was just let's get it through its MOT and then we'll focus on whatever. I mean, because it's still a daily car, and you know, that's just is what it is. But I'll get this all painted up in like my ancient paint, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so first coat on, you can really sort of notice the difference. Obviously it's not primer grey anymore. We need to mask this off and do this side as well, and then we should be good to go. Obviously we need a few more coats but yeah, not looking half bad. Second coat's on the front, first coat's on the back. You see obviously it looks presentable from here, and this is a minimal waste technique known as the tape is coming to pieces and I can't be bothered to sort it out, so we're gonna just have to do it like that. We never said we were a Rolls-Royce garage. It's just me with a garage with a Fiat in it and some paint that I got a year ago. But we're looking all right so far. Just need to sort that out and then clean it all up, and we'll be all right. That clear coat is the best clear coat ever, by the way, just to let you know. But yeah, we're looking okay. Good lunch break this. Final coat is on. Not looking half bad from far away anyway, but it's not glaringly obvious, which is exactly what I'm after. So once the clear coat's on, it should look a lot better match than that. But yeah, that paint is really good, isn't it? So yeah, we'll wait for that to dry, then we'll wax some clear coat on it, then we should be done. Clear coat is on now. You can see it's blending all right. Doesn't help that I've got like marks on here already. Yeah, it's looking good. Just need to wait for that to dry and then put the other coats on and then assemble that thing back together, which I need to chip the filler off that I put on there years ago. And then we should be all good and all okay. So here we are in the home stretch. You can see it's matching, especially on that corner. But of course, it's still not perfect. Not how I'd want it really in the grand scheme of things, but hopefully by Pride of Longbridge it'll be all right. Now I would have had it done properly, but to keep looking nice over the winter and that new metal and everything protected, we're doing all right. So here we are, everybody, the end of a very anticlimactic video. So she's not dead, she's just needed a bit of an operation, so I'm really pleased with that. Of course, next thing's next. That door opens, this door does not still. Our MOT is next Monday, so you'll join me next time when I'm fixing a door. So and for the MOT results, so make sure you're subscribed. That eggnog was sick, by the way, from Starbucks. Make sure you're subscribed. Thank you for watching, keep watching. If anyone has another one of those, let me know, because I want to buy it. Thank you for watching, keep watching, and remember to subscribe, and see you later. And not over yet.